Hi friends, this is Raghu here. You are watching Raghuview. Friends, today I am going to prepare one special recipe, that is vermicelli milk payasam. So everyone will cook at your home occasionally this recipe, but today I am going to show you some tricks which we use in our catering. Please don't skip the video and see up to last. Then only you can understand what are the tricks we are using to prepare this recipe. Come friends, let's go to the video. Friends, we are doing this recipe for each and every function where we do catering. But lot of the people ask me how you prepare this recipe with this taste. But in lot of caterings, in lot of videos, nobody will tell some secrets which is behind this recipe. Today I am going to show you exactly what we are preparing in our catering. Friends, now I am taking 250 ml of water. Let it boil, friends. I have taken 250 grams of roasted vermicelli. Friends, in this vermicelli, this roasted one will give extra flavor. I usually prefer roasted vermicelli for cooking. Friends, now I am adding roasted vermicelli 250 grams into this boiled water. Now this water is almost boiled. Friends, this vermicelli should boil 50% in this water. Always I prefer roasted vermicelli because it gives some extra flavor to the recipe. Friends, now this water is evaporated and it is boiled with this water 50%. Now I am adding 250 ml milk into this. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon ghee into this. Friends, mix it well, otherwise it will be stick into the pan. Friends, now I am adding kova into this. Friends, this kova is approx 100 grams. Friends, this is not a sweet kova, this is a normal kova which you can get in nearby supermarkets or bakeries. Now mix well without forming lumps. Friends, these are the techniques which we use in our catering, and so many people will ask how you are going to cook in a catering and what is the taste between the secret between this taste. So this is the secrets which I am doing now. Friends, now see friends, there is no lumps here, so this is a perfect stage. Now in this again we are going to add another 100 ml milk. Now after adding milk, I am adding ilachi powder. Friends, make sure whenever you are cooking this recipe, the flame should be in a medium, not so high. Friends, in this stage, I am going to add 2 spoons of condensed milk. Friends, this condensed milk gives some extra flavor to this recipe. After adding this condensed milk, I am adding 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. Friends, the essence which I am adding is original. So when you purchase the essence, make sure the essence should be in a brown color. Don't buy white color essence. White color essence is a chemical that is not a original. The essence which I am using, the color is brown. This is a original essence. You can use this. This is not harmful to health. This essence I am adding 3 to 4 drops. Now, after adding this essence, I am adding another 100 ml of milk. Whenever you cook this recipe, don't add milk at one time. Add little bit of milk. So this gives you an extra thickness and extra flavor for this recipe. Friends, now this is the time to add sugar. I have taken half cup of sugar in this cup. In this cup, I have taken half cup of sugar. Friends, I don't prefer much sweet. Actually, I need medium sweet. I prefer only medium sweet for this recipe because we are adding lot of essential into this. This gives some extra flavor to this recipe so that I am not interested in adding much sweet into this recipe. Lot of the people will add 250 grams of vermicelli, they will add 250 grams of sugar, but I don't prefer that much of sugar into our recipes. This is the perfect stage, friends. Very perfect, and the texture is very fantastic. Now, in this stage, I am adding saffron, that is 4 to 5 strings of saffron, which is soaked before 20 minutes in water. I am adding the saffron into this. Friends, see, after adding this saffron, the completely color is changed. That is, the recipes became yellowish. Friends, now in this stage, I am adding another spoon of ghee. Friends, whenever you cook payasam, that you should be sure that you should not ghee at once and you should not add milk at once. Add some milk, some ghee, some milk, some ghee. So this gives you an exact consistency to this recipe. Now this is cooked, friends. Now what I am doing is I am taking this and keeping it aside. Now I am taking a pan. In this pan, I am adding 2 spoons of ghee. Okay, friends. Now, in this, I am adding cashews. Friends, if you want more cashews, you can add. Friends, whenever you add these cashews into the ghee, keep it in a low flame. It should become golden brown, but it should become a golden brown lately, not too quick. Friends, now 40 to 50% color has changed. In this time, I am adding kismis into this. Keep it in a low flame. All the cashews become golden brown and kismis become like a big groundnuts. Now take this and add into this payasam. Mix this well. And now, at last but not least, you need to add one thing to this. So this is an important thing. Friends, now we are going to add one important thing to this. That is nutmeg. Friends, this nutmeg is called as Jaipal in Hindi, Jajikai in Tamil, Jakai in Kannada and Telugu. Friends, this gives some extra flavor to this recipe. Friends, we need just 2 to 3 strings in one nutmeg. Please see friends, see it carefully. I am doing this here. Just this much is enough, friends. Now I am mixing this well. Just boil 2 minutes after adding nutmeg. Only 2 minutes. Friends, now this payasam is ready to serve. While serving, you can add some nuts into this. I will add and I will show you what type of how to add some nuts. Now, after stove, this was perfectly cooked. See friends, this is the consistency it should be. If you are eating late, you can add some water or milk into this. I prefer milk. When you add extra milk, so you can eat it later. But this is, if you eat now itself, this is a better consistency to eat. Taking this to the bowl. In this, I am sprinkling some almonds on top of this. Now this is ready to serve. Friends, I think you like this recipe. Friends, follow me on Instagram, FB page, Twitter. Links are given in a description. Please try this at your home and tag me on Instagram, and you can post the pics which made in your house on my Facebook page. Friends, keep on watching my videos. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next videos.